Hey everyone, it's Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix your PlayStation 5 HD camera not working. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So behind me, I have my PlayStation 5 HD camera hooked up to the PlayStation, and it's saying it's not connected, even though I can visually see it's connected. So what are things I am doing wrong and how can I fix this? Well, one of the biggest issues is where you go ahead and connect your camera to your PlayStation 5. If you're connecting it to the front of the PlayStation 5, that won't work. If you look at the USB cable, it shows a blue USB you have to connect it to, and there is no blue USBs at the front of the PlayStation. You actually have to turn around and connect it to the rear of the PlayStation 5. So here we have two blue USB ports we can plug this into. So let's do that right now. And it will display on my screen now. So my camera will show up in a second here. So there I am. So that is a very easy solution of how to fix it. Now another problem arises when you're using a USB extension cable. You want to use a USB 3.0 extension cable. Otherwise, you'll get the same issue. If you're using a USB 2.0 extension cable to mount your PlayStation 5 camera like on your TV that's further away, make sure it's 3.0 or you're going to be getting the same it's not connected problem that I was before. So if the issue still is persisting, one thing to make sure of, if you are going to accessories, make sure you are selecting the HD camera instead of the PlayStation camera. The PlayStation camera was for the PS4. The HD camera's for the PlayStation 5. So it may not be recognizing it because you're going to the wrong setting. Now another thing you can try is to completely turn off your PlayStation. So press the PlayStation button on the controller and then go to power over here and go to turn off. And we're going to reset the cache on the PlayStation 5. And this involves just turning it off and yanking out the power cord and leaving that unplugged for about 30 seconds to a minute. Just a simple restart on a lot of devices seems to fix the issue. So here's the power cord right here. Let's yank it out and leave it unplugged for about 30 seconds to a minute. Then go ahead and replug it back in and see if that helped your camera reconnecting. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 HD camera tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.